Good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine. So today we have to start our chapter number 9, that is Be My Friend. आज हमें क्या करना है? We have to start our chapter number 9. The name of the chapter is Be My Friend and it is given on page number 222. ये कौन से पेज पे दिया है आपको? पेज नंबर 222 पर. The name of the chapter is Be My Friend. In this story, we are going to have two important characters. These are a little red ant and a bird. यहाँ पे जो दो important character हैं इस story में वो कौन कौन से हैं? पहला है a little red ant and second one is a bird. In this we are going to study a story and at the end we are going to see the moral of the story as well. Given on page number 222. यहाँ आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में किस तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किया है? They have written some sentences related with the story and they have given you some of the images related with the story. So on page number 222 you can see the first part of the story. The story starts like this. A little red ant went to a river to drink water. When it reached the river, it slipped and fell into the water. यहाँ पे story आपको किस तरीके से दी है? That there was a little red ant. What the ant was doing? The ant went to a river. For what purpose? To drink the water. पानी पीने के लिए जो ant है वो river में गए हैं. When it reached the river, it slipped and fell into the water. जैसे ही जो ant है वो river के पास पहुंची तो क्या हुआ? It slipped and fell into the water. She just fell into the water. Why? Because of the water that is being collected over there. She just fell from that part and she just reached into the river. A little red ant was crying for help. What the ant was doing? The ant is not having any idea how to swim. So the little red ant was shouting that help, help, I cannot swim. Here the little ant was asking for help. A bird heard the ant cry. So what happened next? A bird was living there. The bird had heard the ant was crying. So what she did? The bird threw a leaf to the ant. इसको देखते हुए bird ने क्या किया? Bird had thrown a leaf to that ant. Climb on the leaf, you will be safe. यहाँ पे bird ने क्या किया? Bird ने help की. किसकी help की? Ant की. किस तरीके से help की? Climb on the leaf. First she just plucked the leaf from a tree. Then she told that you should climb on the leaf. तुम इस leaf के ऊपर climb करो and you will be safe. इससे क्या होगा? तुम्हारी जान बच जाएगी. Thank you for saving my life. So a conversation was started between the ant and the bird. Now after this part, the ant said that thank you for saving my life. Now next part is given on page number 223. Next part is given on page number 223. One day a bird catcher came with a net. He spread the net near the bird's home. The ant saw this. इस part में आपको क्या दिया है? Here you can see the image of the bird catcher. With him he is holding a net and this scene was set and the ant had seen this part. एक दिन क्या हुआ? एक बर्ड कैचर वहाँ पे आया, अपने साथ एक जाल को भी वो लेकर आया था. He spread the net near the bird's home. जो बर्ड है उसके घर के पास इस बर्ड कैचर ने उस नेट को स्प्रेड किया. The ant saw this. ये जो दृश्य है ये किसने देखा? एंट ने. The bird is in danger. I must help her. अब ये चीज को देखते हुए एंट ने क्या रियलाइज किया? That the bird is in danger. जो बर्ड है वो डेंजर में है and I must help her. उस बर्ड की मुझे मदद करनी चाहिए. The ant called its friend. They started biting the bird catcher's feet. अब इसको देखते हुए क्या किया एंट ने जो उसके बाकी के फ्रेंड्स थे उनको बुलाया The ants called its friend and they started biting the bird catcher's feet. जो बर्ड कैचर है उसकी फीट को इन्होंने बाइट करना स्टार्ट किया. Now this biting is hurting the man. So now what happened next? The bird catcher picked up his net and ran away. Because of this incident, the bird catcher had picked his net and he just ran away from this forest. Thank you for saving my life. The bird had replied that thank you for saving my life. You are welcome. Friends always help each other. इसको देखते हुए उन्होंने क्या कहा? That friends always help each other. जो दोस्त होते हैं वो हमेशा एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं. Now I will show you different images related with this part. Here the story starts like this. Once upon a time there was a bird. एक समय की बात है, एक जंगल में एक बर्ड रहती थी. She has a round face and a small beak. यहाँ उसके अपीयरेंस के बारे में आपको बताया गया है that she is having a round face and a small beak. She was very colorful and next to her lived a small ant. जो बर्ड है वो बहुत ही कलरफुल थी और उसी के पास में एक स्मॉल एंट भी रहता था. They were very happy together. In this forest they were living together and they were happy because they are enjoying each other's company. They were best of friends. वो दोनों कैसे बन चुके थे? They are best of friends. Now they are living very happily in this forest. One day a little red ant went to a river to drink water. एक दिन क्या हुआ? ये जो स्टोरी हमने पढ़ी है इसी का एक्सप्लेनेशन आपको यहाँ पे दिया जा रहा है. एक दिन एक लिटिल रेड एंट went to a river to drink water. Where he went? He went to a river to drink water. When it reached the river, it slipped and fell into the water. When the ant had reached the river, it slipped and where it slipped, at that time he just fell into the water. As the water collected on the ground, the ant floated away. Seeing this, the bird plucked a few leaves and dropped them into the water. Now this incident was being watched by the birds, so the bird decided to help the ant. Now she used to pluck the leaves from the trees and she just helped the ant. Moral of the story is, if you do good, good will come to you. इस तरीके से मदद करने से क्या हुआ? पहले जो है एंट की लाइफ बच गई. सेकेंड पार्ट में हमने देखा कि एंट ने बर्ड की लाइफ को सेव किया. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन गेट दैट इफ यू डू गुड, गुड विल कम टू यू. अगर आप दूसरों के साथ अच्छा करेंगे तो आपके साथ अच्छा होगा. वन गुड टर्न डिजर्व्स अनदर एंड फ्रेंड्स ऑलवेज हेल्प ईच अदर. जो दोस्त हैं वो हमेशा एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं. अगर आप किसी के साथ अच्छा करेंगे तो आपके साथ अच्छा होगा. नाउ द बर्ड एंड द एंट. जिस स्टोरी की हम बात कर रहे थे वो ये है, द बर्ड एंड द एंट. Now the appearance of the bird is shown here that the bird is having a round face and a small beak. Together they were very happy and they are considered as best friends. Together they are very happy, they are enjoying each other's company and they are best of friends. Now in the next part we have seen that the ant had begun to swept away by the water as the water collected in the river. So this is all about the story that is given on page number 222. जो पेज नंबर 222 है उस पर आपको एक स्टोरी के बारे में बताया गया है. द नेम ऑफ द स्टोरी इज बी माई फ्रेंड. जो स्टोरी है उसका नाम क्या है? बी माई फ्रेंड. हियर वी हैव सीन डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स इन दिस स्टोरी. इस स्टोरी में हमने अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स को देखा है. फर्स्ट वन इज द बर्ड. पहला कैरेक्टर कौन है? The bird. Second character was the ant and the third character was the bird catcher. इस स्टोरी में हमने 3 कैरेक्टर्स देखे थे. उसमें से 2 इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर कौन कौन से हैं? The bird and the ant. The third character in this story is the bird catcher. इस स्टोरी में जो थर्ड कैरेक्टर है वो कौन है? The bird catcher. The moral of the story is, इस स्टोरी का जो मोरल है वो क्या है? If you are going to do good to others, the good will come to you. अगर आप दूसरों के साथ अच्छा करेंगे, आप दूसरों की भलाई करेंगे तो आपके साथ भी लाइफ में अच्छा ही होगा. फ्रेंड्स शुड ऑलवेज हेल्प ईच अदर, तो दोस्त हैं वो हमेशा एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं। जैसे यहाँ पे हमने देखा जो बर्ड और एंट है, दे आर सेविंग ईच अदर्स लाइफ। इन्होंने क्या किया, दे आर सेविंग ईच अदर लाइफ। फर्स्ट द बर्ड हैड हेल्प द एंट and in the second part the ant had helped the bird. So in this way they are helping each other, they are connected to each other, they are living happily in this story. So if you are going to do the good will come to you. So this is all about the story given on page number 222. Thank you.